Hey guys, welcome to Spicy Apple's Life and wish you a very happy Diwali. In this video, I'm going to share some quick and easy DIY light decoration ideas. Now let's get into the details. First, I'm going to decorate my table and replacing the old boarding tray into a big bamboo tray. Also using some floral lights to decorate the tray and placing it over it. Here I'm adding a long electric candle and you can add whatever you have in your home. Now place a big glass bowl on the tray and fill it with water. Also adding some normal flower petals to make it beautiful and very festive. Here I am also using some floating candles and adding them into my bowl. Now lighten up the candles and also switch on the other lights. So this is how it looks like and my boarding table turns into a beautiful one within 5 minutes. You can also do the same with a big bowl on your floor too and decorate it with some flowers, and also you can add some diyas. You can use some big candles as well. For this beautiful festive season, it will look really gorgeous. For the third DIY, you have to hang some normal LED lights, and here I am using some wooden clips and artificial maple leaves. Now add this maple leaves with the wooden clips over the LED light. This is how my room looks like now, and it's a very gorgeous and quick way to decorate your room. Hope you guys like this mini room decor video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel and give this video a like and comment. Bye.